Hello, you're watching Project Management Tricks channel, and today I'd like to talk about different types of schedule representation. Usually schedule is one-dimensional thing. It is timeline, and there are milestones on that timeline. These milestones are control points. Project managers must pay most of their attention to that milestones. But between milestones, project manager usually have obligations to do monitoring. And second dimension can help to understand how much time project manager would spend for the monitoring activities. You can add different thickness of the segments, and that thickness will talk about the time you need to spend for that period of times. For example, this is light working weeks. Here your plan have hard working weeks, and here you can see very hard working weeks. So you'll be able to plan hard and light working weeks. This is way to find time slots for non-project activities. If project manager drives some task forces, it's very important to be able to have time for different non-project meetings, maybe for visits to different sites and so on. Looking at the modified two-dimensional schedule, it's very fast to have the information about the periods of time you can arrange the time for non-project activities. Of course, the light periods of time are best candidates for the non-project activities. What else then? Representation of schedule can use different colors. So the method of color coding can be used to make your schedule better. If you do software development, for example, you can color code the requirements work by green. You can use color yellow to show that design is planned for some segment, and you can use blue to show that coding is done in that time. And for example, black, this is the validation, attestation, testing, and so on. Looking at that schedule, you will have much more information in one time than if you will use just milestones on the simple timeline. Also, you can have multiple layers of different colors to show what activities are planned in parallel. For example, for these hard working weeks, you can show that not only design but also the requirements work is planned for this segment. Maybe third layer also should be shown here. This is coding. Some sort of coding already started in this period of time, for example prototyping. So you will see that hard working weeks have explanation, and if you need to have to make some decisions, you will be able to make the decisions faster. This is just the basic technique of multi-dimensional schedule representation. You can modify it on your own. Hope it will help you to drive your future projects better. Thank you for watching. Project Management Freaks channel. Bye.